So you wanna improve your photography, but you're not sure how. Here's some tips. And I mean, they're gonna be brutal and they're gonna be harsh and you are gonna love them or probably hate them. Let's go with love them because I need you to love them because I need you to subscribe, like, and hit that bell button. Let's go, let's go. Oh my God, what's going on with my hair? Tip 1, stop buying loads of stuff. That's so weird, I know, because you're like, oh, but I need this and this and this and a new Sony and this and this. No shade on Sony, we all want the new Sony. Shh. But no, that Anna Leibovitz said, and she's a great photographer, let's not deny that, or I'll fight you. Anna Leibovitz said that get one lens and learn what it does. Some of the greatest images in the world were captured on a single lens, like one of those film cameras, right? They didn't have all the fancy mod cons. They had to use their noggin and their eyes and their creativity to get the best. So take one lens, exhaust it. Get your kit lens. If you can use a kit lens and create great masterpieces out of that kit lens, you go. Oh yeah, we're doing this tip by the bin. And Frankie's bottom's in, there she is. There's Franks. Say hi, Franks. Hi, Franks. Hey, Franks. One of my rescue dogs. I'm gonna buy the bins in my garden. You need to practice. Nothing is created instantaneously. You need to practice. And if you go, I haven't got anyone to model, I haven't got anyone, get on some self-portraits. I'll link up here loads of my self-portraits, but you know what? Get on self-portraits because then you know about light, you know how posing, and you can also just get a little bit more comfortable with the camera, which makes it a better experience for anyone who does get in front of the camera. Although, saying that, get friends and family to pose. Oh, I haven't got any friends or I haven't got any family. Well, tell you what, start with still life. Buy yourself a mannequin head. Paint a face. Make a friend. Make your own Wilson out of a tennis ball. Castaway link there. You can do this. It wasn't tennis balls, it was football. Wilson Jr. Practice, practice, practice. You know what? And you are going to hit some absolute doozers and you're going to make some amazing imagery, but you've got to practice. Because it doesn't have to be every day because you're like, I'm so busy, I can't shoot every day. But when you do shoot, shoot consciously and make an effort. Don't just click that button. Really think about the framing, think about the composition, think about the lens choice, the distance you are from the subject, what you're trying to convey, all sorts of those things. But remember, all of those come to your head slowly. Study. What? Go to university, go to college? No, you don't necessarily have to, but study the images that you're looking at and not because, oh, that's a really pretty picture. I really like that. Look at the image. Think about how what is that piece of hair doing? Ugh. What's my whole hair doing? It's a mess. Look at how that picture was created. Watch a lot of YouTube videos. Invest in learning from the images that you're seeing. Because so many of us go through Instagram and go, oh my God, I can't recreate that. Swipe, swipe, swipe. Actually go and figure out how they've done it. And if you're not sure, find some other way to look at it, such as on YouTube, where people give massive insights into their behind the scenes footage. So you can start looking. Lindsay Adler is one. You know, they show you how they create the image that they've done. Invest in looking at imagery and working out how it's done and figuring out how you can recreate it. And remember, you don't have to buy the kit. You know, you need a reflector, but you haven't got one. Piece of tinfoil, a white card, a t-shirt, a black piece of paper, all sorts can be a reflector. Hey, I'm currently using the shelf of this window to reflect, making a mess, to get that little catchlight just there in my eyes there. So I look alive because I'm dead inside. And finally, meet fellow photographers. Meet up with them. Don't be afraid. They're not your competition. You shouldn't see everyone as your competition. So you can all exchange information. Maybe you can't meet them physically. You can meet them online. Get onto social groups. There's lots of ones like Build and Bloom on Facebook. But there are other social networks you can use. Or you could simply just start your own YouTube channel and learn as you go, like I am. I am screwing up in lots of places, but I'm doing it visually so you can learn from my mistakes. Boom. Okay. But don't be afraid. Learning how you, yourself, can improve your photography isn't about investing shit tons of money. It's about actually investing time in you and your passion and remembering that your passion is what's making you take those photographs. So just directing that passion in the best way to get the best reward rather than shoving it all on your credit card and wondering how the hell you're going to pay it all off given the current financial climate. Anyway, I hope these tips help. If you've got any more tips for the amazing people who watch these videos, hi Mum. Put them in the comments below, okay? And I'll get back to it soon. And I will promise I will brush my hair at some point this millennia. Bye.